names don't just belong to history. They define it. And when you hear Shelby define it. And when you hear Shelby Super Snake, you don't just think of a Mustang. You think of American power, rebellion on four wheels, and the spirit of a man who refused to play by anyone's rules, Carroll Shelby. For over half a century, that name has stood for pure adrenaline. From dusty racetracks to open highways, Shelby cars have carried one mission: to be faster, louder, and bolder than anything else on the road. Now in 2026, the legend returns. Forged in carbon, fed by horsepower, and ready to strike again. This isn't just another special edition Mustang. This is Shelby's loudest statement yet. A car built to remind the world that true performance never dies. It just gets meaner. The 2026 Shelby Super Snake, the ultimate evolution of muscle, technology, and madness. The return of a legend. It all began in the late 60s when Carroll Shelby took a Mustang and turned it into a street-legal race car. Decades later, the Super Snake name still carries that legacy, built not for comfort, but conquest. For 2026, Shelby has reimagined the icon for a new generation, keeping its soul raw and analog, while sharpening every edge with 21st century engineering. The result? A car that doesn't just roar down the drag strip, it dominates it. The heart of the beast beneath the sculpted hood sits a 5.0-liter supercharged V8 tuned by Shelby to deliver 830 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right. 830 horses of pure American fury. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a 6-speed manual or an optional automatic, depending on how brave you are. The sound? A thunderous growl that shakes asphalt and souls alike. The kind of roar that reminds you why electric cars still have a long way to go. Every rev screams heritage. Every shift feels like a challenge. Tech meets tradition, but don't mistake the 2026 Super Snake for an old-school brute. Underneath that classic muscle car shape lies modern performance wizardry. A re-engineered suspension, Brembo brakes, and a carbon fiber drive shaft keep all that power grounded. Shelby's active cooling system manages heat even under punishing track runs, and the aerodynamic upgrades, from the carbon splitter to the sculpted rear wing, help it slice through the air instead of fighting it. It's the perfect fusion. Classic muscle, modern control. Design that commands respect. From the moment you see it, the Super Snake commands attention. The hood bulge, the racing stripes, the bold Shelby lettering stretched across the tail. Every inch of this car whispers aggression and pride. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cockpit built for performance, Recaro sport seats, Alcantara touches, carbon fiber accents, and a plaque that proudly reads, Shelby Super Snake 2026, Limited Edition. It's not just a car, it's an heirloom of horsepower. Limited, legendary, loud. Only a few hundred Super Snakes will ever see the light of day, each one hand-built with Shelby's relentless attention to detail. And just like the classics, this isn't about luxury, it's about feel. That raw connection between man, machine, and the open road. 0 to 60, just over 3.3 seconds. Top speed, north of 200 miles per hour. But the real thrill isn't in the numbers. It's in the way this car makes you feel alive. The spirit of Shelby lives on. Carroll Shelby once said, I love horsepower. It's like your girlfriend. You can never have too much. The 2026 Shelby Super Snake is proof that his spirit still burns bright. It's not chasing trends. It's honoring tradition with supercharged thunder, American grit, and a venomous edge. This isn't just a car you drive. It's a statement you unleash. The 2026 Shelby Super Snake. A reminder that in a world racing toward electric silence, there's still room for the roar of rebellion. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the rebirth of an icon. If you loved this cinematic review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Which American muscle legend you want us to feature next? Until next time, stay wild, stay loud, and never stop chasing the thrill.